Hello everyone, this is for joining a paid group in WhatsApp for level maths revision class. So I'm going to enter my name, mobile number. So email is optional one. Okay, I just click pay 1000 rupees and join. So it's opening payment gateway. So I need to pay the amount to get the group link. The payment is successful. You have been added to the maths revision class. Get group link for maths revision class. So I just click this. It's go to the pay2join feedback and the message get the group link for maths revision class. So I just send this message. So I got the message as join WhatsApp group. I just click this one and I just click join group. So I have successfully joined the WhatsApp group without seeing the WhatsApp group invite link. So this is a pay2join.com. So I have login successfully and I have upgraded to premium. So I just click create group. So in this case I am going to create a demo group. Or I can say demo paid group. Okay, I just mentioned this is okay. Then the group invite. I am going to the WhatsApp and I just click this button and click creating a new group. So next, so I have created demo paid group and I just click create. So group has been created successfully. So I just click this invite. So I just click copy link. So once I copy link, I go to this one and paste this link here. So once I paste it, I need to enable this one paid group. So in the paid group, there are 4 payment gateways available. One is Stripe, Stripe Connect, PayHere, iPayOS and Razorpay. So I would like to use the iPayOS because the verification is easy and instantly I can able to get the email and everything. So regarding the payment, so I choose LKR and I am keeping the group amount as 1000 rupees and create a group. So I just click edit. So if you want to place any image, you can able to place it. So I just click upload cover image. So I am having the previous demo. So this is the image and I have backend of the correct place. So this is done and that's all for now, and I just click save changes. So you can able to see something called copy link, or you can able to send this link to your student. So if you click this copy link and open in the new tab, this is look like this. So this is the link for joining in the paid WhatsApp group. So whoever completing this information and the payment, they will get the WhatsApp link. The WhatsApp link is secure, so they can't able to share with anyone. See, this message can't be forwarded to other people because this link only works in this WhatsApp. So that's how it's working. Just go to the pay2join.com and you can able to see all the information related to this pay2join. So that's all for you guys, and thank you so much.